Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. For today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to use Copilot chat for free. Now, many of you guys have followed my previous videos, and they actually hit the spot where they are stuck since they have downloaded Microsoft 365 Copilot, and when they go to the chat here, they are not getting any results since it is required from them to upgrade their Microsoft account to use Copilot chat, which means they have to pay money. Now, even though the personal, the family, and the premium plans are pretty cheap, and with the yearly plan you could go even much cheaper, it's still, for some people, it is very much harder to pay it. But they really want to use the Copilot features. Now, how do we get them? Well, in this situation, guys, you shouldn't use the Copilot on the PC or the installed version. You should use the actual web version. So go to Microsoft Copilot in the web browser that you have, and as you can see here, it should open just like ChatGPT or Cloud or any other AI agent. So you simply have to write down your prompt here and it should answer you back. So for example, is Copilot free AI, and here is gonna answer you. Microsoft Copilot does have a free version, but the details depend on how you are using it. So if you are using Copilot inside apps like Word, etc., this is needing the advanced Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription. If you want the built-in directly into Windows 11, this is at no extra cost, giving you a quick AI. But the Copilot on the web, you can access Copilot for free at copilot.com, where you get conversational AI search and productivity features. And yeah, that's basically the features that you have. So this one is paid. This one also comes with this one. And the other one is Pro 4, so it comes with the paid upgrade. So the only one that is free is the Copilot on the web. So yeah, if you want to use it, get the web version. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.